and all. If you're developing for Android, you can use the Android Studio. And if you're using for iPhone, then you can use the Xcode. So, yeah. So why Unity? How does it help us? So Unity is basically a game engine. So generally it's used for games, developing games. So here for developing games. So now mostly not only games, but even the commercial applications and ERP side, they are mostly used a Unity game engine. So what's the advantage of the game engine is, so write code once, deploy to a number of platforms. So basically what you do is, so you write the code once. So if you want to develop an application for a Windows machine, all you need to do is switch the platform and the same code will work. The same thing if you want to same application for Android, all you need to do is switch the platform and you can build the application. You don't even need to know like the Android Studio or the Xcode or the Swift or any of the language. The only language you need to know is the C#, the Unity C#. So that's all you need to know. The rest, no, I'm not presenting anything, sorry. This is only installation session. So I'll try to guide you step-by-step process. So how to install the softwares and okay. So I'll try to share the link. What all the require. So first log into JNTUACEA.com. So can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your screen is visible.
Okay, good. So log into unity.com is the website. So I'm sharing the link in the message box. So please go through the site, and you have a starting button here, get started. Click on this get started button. So here you have a pricing and free ones also here basically. So one advantage with Unity is even the pricing, the enterprise free ones, everything is same, except in the pricing you don't have this watermark, and the free ones you have this watermark. That's only the difference. The rest everything is same. So if your team is like if you want to have a professional ERP site package one, then based on your needs you can select whatever the package you want basically. So for the time being we need an individual one. So it can be a student or it can be personal. So for us we need a student version, but as I said earlier also, there's no difference between any versions basically. All versions are same. You can select anything. And let's click on this get started. Once on individual, when you're in the individual button, click on the individual button and click on the personal get started button, and it will guide you to first time users, returning users. As we all are first time users, so click on the start here. So it's a agreement saying that you are not crossing any 100,000. It's not, your company is not $100,000 company or something. Your project is not. So basically these are the terms, and agree and download. So once you download, you'll be guided to this Unity Hub setup. Unity Hub setup. So I already have a Unity Hub setup. So if you, it will guide you to the Unity Hub.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, under access, which one to choose, sir? Number one, GitHub authorize with it is showing some authorize.
Sorry, just a moment. Where exactly you are? This
Sir,
one?
after
This
get
page?
access, which page is that? Unity.com academic Unity
No,
hyphen
no, no, no.
student.
No. Don't go for the student. Just go for the personal one.
Personal. Okay.
Yeah, this one.
Thank you.
Yeah. Just click on this get start, personal one. Get started.
Okay. Okay.
And agree for the terms and conditions.
Okay. Thank
So
you.
then, yeah, then you will be downloading this Unity Hub file. So Unity Hub install file .exe for Windows. So no one is using Linux or Mac. Okay. So get started. So you have this Unity Hub. Once after the installation of the Unity Hub, so go to your start button and search for Unity Hub. You will see this page basically. So it will open this page basically. So as I have so many files inside this, but don't worry, these are all different projects. This is like user interface of the Unity community learn. Or this is the page you'll see basically. You see here an empty page. So once you are in this page, let me know. So once you are on this page, click on this installs page, installs button.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll close. So I'll just I'm just stopping here, but that's yeah. I'm not going. So once it's downloaded, just after installation of the file, you'll see this page basically. Projects learn installs. If anyone wants to have a personal guidance also, like my team, Ganesh and Teddy is also in the conference. You can ping them also. Even they can help you. Sorry?
Sir, when we press on install,
Yeah.
it is
Sorry, I can't hear your voice. Yeah, echo, yeah.
yeah. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. So when we install and open the window with installs, it is actually blank. It asks for locate and add. When we go
Yeah.
for add,
No,
In
don't
the-
go.
when-
Don't go add or anything. I'm saying because I already a user, so these are different projects which is showing to me. So you don't need to add or new anything. Only click on this installs button. That's it. Don't worry.
so
You
install,
won't see.
it
You
is
won't see.
no Unity version and it is blank.
Yeah. That's okay. That's okay. The next step, I'm going to teach you that Excel because I already installed. That's why it's showing for me. That's only difference. So that's what I'm saying.
Thank
Here everything will be blank. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. So everyone can see the. Yeah. Go ahead.
Sir, I have already installed Unity Hub, sir. But I am
Unity
unable to
Hub.
see the screen what you are showing that one.
No. See, this screen is for me only. See, because I already have a Unity
Okay.
version. That's why you're seeing this one. Or else it will be completely
Okay.
blank. Okay.
Yeah, it's completely blank, so.
Yeah, that's
So
what it should be. That's what it should be also.
it's asking
Okay,
for
sir.
create
Thank you.
Unity ID.
Yeah. I'll go to the next step. Like once after like everyone finishes this step, then I'll take you to the registration page. So should I go to the next step, or anyone having any doubts?
So we can use Windows 8 also, right?
Yeah, you can use Windows 8 also. It's up to you.
So it's not showing like this, sir.
Can you share me your screen so that I can see that?
Sure, sir.
Yeah. I can stop the sharing. You can show me your screen. Yeah. Okay.
So in this, which one I have to go through?
No. Click. This is a Windows search. Unity Hub. Yeah, you can click on Unity Hub, or in desktop you can go to search there. Not this one. Not this page. This is a web browser link. Go to the desktop. Go to your desktop. Yeah, click on your desktop. Yeah, here there is already a setup file, right? So here, yeah. So Control F. You can press Control F, or you already installed it, or
Not
you're
it,
just
sir, not it.
not it. Okay, just double click on that file.
Yes, sir. It's showing like this.
Just a moment.
My presentation is ready.
Okay, can I see the PC properties?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Double click. Yeah. Right properties. So on my click on my PC and right click, you'll get the properties.
Just a minute, sir.
Yeah, right click. Properties. 4GB 64. Okay. Okay, this should work. Yeah, fine. So can you minimize the screen and double click on this Unity Hub?
Sir, the downloaded one, sir.
Yeah, the download one, exactly. Double click. You need to authenticate, saying that you are the administrator. That is a symbol for that Windows administration symbol.
Sir? Sorry.
So the symbol you are seeing, right? That shield kind of a symbol.
Yes, sir.
So it asks for a prompt, basically saying that you are the administrator, or you the administrator,
Yeah.
or something. You say, yes, I'm the administrator.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Yeah, now I agree, and next. So here is this folder. If you want to keep your any of your if you want to keep in D, or if you want to put it in some other place, it's up to you. You can browse it here, and
Okay, sir. Fine.
it's all up to you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
And the next install, and you just go ahead.
Yes, sir. Fine. Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's asking for license. I'll tell you. I'll tell you how to create the license also. Just wait for a moment. Just wait for a moment. So what you're doing is next. So in the top right corner of this page, you have here. Can you see this? For just a moment, I'll just sign out from here. So you can see this symbol here. Can you see the symbol like this? So here it will say my account Unity ID sign in. So if you click on the sign in, you have two options. Either you want to create your own sign in, you just say please create one. Or if you want to use your Google, then you can use the Google also. It's up to you. Sign in with Google or Facebook, or it's up to you. So once it's sign in, then it will send you the verification to your email ID. Can someone? Yeah.
Yeah, in the Unity ID, sign on message only, no, you are telling.
Yeah, exactly. So
Yeah,
it's
but
up.
in sign in, if I sign in, it is asking for hub release notes, hub documentation.
No.
That
I'm
only
asking,
is coming.
no, ma'am. I'm asking you to register yourself first. See, if you already have your email ID password, then you need to enter here. Or in the top there is a here create one. You can
No,
click on this
nothing
create.
like that. It is only asking for sign in. When I press sign in, it is asking open log folder, report a bug like that.
No, okay, I need to see that. So for the rest, it will be simple. Either if you have already your credentials.
Okay. Now I've got it. Okay, thank you. I've got it.
Oh, okay. So if you have your credentials, use your credentials. If you don't have, create one, or you can use your Google sign in. You can sign in with Google itself. It's up to you. Or Facebook, it's up to you. So, but make sure your email ID, whatever you're using, and the password you need to remember. So that go to your email ID, then authenticate that. Click on that authentication link, so that it will be activated. It will be activated.
Sir, you told last time that we have to go to installs and we have to do something.
Sorry.
Sir, you have told in that Unity you have to go to option called installs. You have to click on that one.
No. I asked for Unity Hub.
Okay, no. After that, after installation is everything's over. When you click
No,
on
after the
that,
installation, you see this page basically. You see this page. You see this project like projects.
yeah.
See, don't worry about. So
In
at
that
the
there is
top.
option called installs.
No, yeah, installs. I didn't say anything here. So first you need to register yourself basically.
Okay, sir, I have registered that.
Yeah, you need to register yourself and then sign in. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, after creating the Unity ID, it's asking for select micro game, FPS, karting, platformer.
No, go for the no MP. So only register. Don't install anything. So just a moment. I'll try to. So you are done with your registration, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So in the down of that, there is a no template or something. The last option. Can you share me your screen? Can you share me your screen? I'll tell you.
Yes, sir.
So in the last bottom, there is a empty 3D.
Okay.
Last one, empty 3D. Continue.
Yes, sir.
So now it's downloading basically. Okay. So actually, I thought to tell you, we need to download a version which is LTS.
LTS.
So, okay, I'll tell you again also, not to worry anything about this. Let it download and install it. Not a problem. Okay, I'll tell you again.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, once you are done with your registration, so please log in with your user ID and password basically. Or you can authenticate from Google or Facebook. It's up to you. So once you are done, it will display your name or initial or anything like that. Here, the right corner, top right corner, it will show you that. So now click on this installs. In the after project learn community, click on the installs. And it will, here you have two options. One is locate, another one is add. So if anyone already have any of the Unity version, you need to click on the locate. If you don't have any version, then you need to add. Click on add. So once you add, so what will happen is you will get this. Don't press anything. Let me complete my listing. So you have the latest official releases of the Unity here. So one problem with the Unity is Unity almost every month to twice in a week they release one new version, basically official version. Version like it can be today it's 17, tomorrow it can be 18 or 19 or something like that. So after one or like this, see now it's 2020.21 F1. So this one is a 2020.1.17 F1. So these are all different official releases. So always keep in mind, always make sure you install one with the LTS version, whatever the LTS version. So it's 2019.4.17 LTS version for today. If you're seeing any other different version, it's also fine. But if it says LTS, just click on that. Always depend on the LTS version so that you have this long-term support for your project. So once you select the version which you want to install it, then click on the next button. So here is the thing. This is very important, which I'm trying to say. So please make sure check all these buttons are already installed when you are trying to install. This is very important. Here is the important part. So if you want to develop an Android application, then you need to click on this Android build support like this. For you, it will be like this. So click on this Android build support like this. Click on that. If you want to have an iOS build support also, that means iPhone. If you want to build an iPhone application, see these are all later also you can do it. But if you want to do it now also, it's fine. So you need to click on this iOS build support like that. Click on the checkbox. So suppose if you want to have a browser one, browser application, WebGL. So on top of this, you'll have this Microsoft Visual Studio also. By default, click on that Microsoft Visual Studio also. Click on the Microsoft Visual Studio. That's the editor where we need for writing all the codes, basically. So Microsoft Visual Studio, click on Microsoft Visual Studio, Android build support. If you want to have the documentation also, it's up to you. Click on, check on the documentation part. Mine is asking 64. No, there is no alternative for, it should be 64-bit, minimum is 64-bit. There's no other option. 32-bit, it doesn't work. Nirmal.
Sir, then we have to press on done.
Sorry?
So after that, we have to press on done.
Yeah, once you are done, the documentation, then next, click on next and just say these are the agreements basically. Click on this and done. That's it.
Okay.
So if it's asking for Visual Studio, it's also same thing. Just click on set terms and agree. I agree for the terms and conditions and done. That's it.
Sir, now it is asking install some path it shows.
So it's basically maybe it's asking for if you have a specified location of the installation, or you want to put it in the same path of the hub. Can you share the screen? I'll just guide you.
Yeah. Sure. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm getting this screen.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Installing some create.
Yeah.
Oh,
So okay, it's just same thing. You need to just if you already have a Unity ID, just put it. You don't have it, then sign in with Google is also fine. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Then in select micro gums, the last one, select the empty 3D option.
Yes, sir.
So next, after creating Unity ID, it will ask for select micro game basically. So what do you select is last to the option is empty 3D. Okay.
Okay.
Then launch Unity. That's it.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. So once after the installation is done, you have this kind of a symbol, like this. This is a so-and-so version which is installed on your device, and it has Android build support like this. You can you can see the symbol like this.
Sir, please present your screen.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I forgot. Sorry. So this is how it will be. It's the screen, and this is the version of LTS version which is installed on my laptop. So Unity, you can install any number of versions. It's up to you. Okay. So generally, what in a development side, what we do is we use one LTS version, and when we use a beta version of the latest installation, latest version of the Unity, and we use one which is 1 year old, that is like 2018. So I have a here 2019, I have a 18 here. So I do install one more 2020 also I can install. So why is because
Sir,
Unity,
1 minute.
sorry?
Sir, in your screen you have some symbol, no, like
Yeah,
below that,
once after the installation of the everything, you'll get this symbol basically.
and that symbol is okay, but the small symbol that pointer is pointing to, that symbol is not available in my screen.
Which symbol? This one or this one?
Yeah, that small, yeah, that small
No,
symbol where the
this is,
pointer is pointing to.
yeah, this is for Euphoria. I'll tell you like when we are into the ER also, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So one thing is Android build support should be there, because we are developing for the first time.
That is not there, sir. That is not there.
Okay, but you can see this version at least. This one you can see.
Yeah, that about part is right.
Okay, then
Below
what you
part only.
okay? So what you do is you can see these three symbols, right? Three
Yeah,
dots.
yes, sir. Yes,
On
sir.
these three dots, click on this add modules. Click on the add modules. Now you select this Android build support here.
No,
Can you
it
see
is
that?
only it is only telling cancel. When
It
you
is.
press
Okay, can
right
you share
click,
me? Can you
right
share
click,
me the screen?
nothing is happening.
Okay, can you share the screen?
Me to
Actually,
share.
it is installing. That's why it is showing cancel. The blue
Oh,
bar
okay.
will be completed.
Yeah, once
It is
after
started
completion,
installing
only
it.
you will see that. Yeah.
Oh, it's still getting installed here. Okay.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
take time. We
No,
need to
it
wait
says
for.
that you have no valid license.
So that means you didn't log. Did you log in?
Yeah,
Did you
I
authentic?
logged in.
Did you go to your
My
email?
my
We will
screen
need
says
from
my initial there on the top right.
email also. We need to confirm it.
Once, yeah, you need to go to your email and check in
We need
there.
to confirm it from there.
Authenticate email.
Okay, I've gone to the email.
You receive like a message from the Unity saying that.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm getting some video, some playable animation. So is it okay if after that it is understood that it's been installed?
No, in the down you can see there is a blue line which is going. So the top, these are like advertisements, what you can do, all the stuff basically.
Okay.
In the down, can you see there's much percentage of the Unity is installed? It will say in the down.
Yes, sir. It is under process.
Yeah. So once after 100% success, then it will guide you to this screen basically. In this installs, if you see this, you'll see this version like 2019 or 2020.1 dot something, whatever the version you have.
Okay. Yeah, you'll wait for until that complete.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. If you want, you can use, you can install 3 versions, 4 versions. It's all up to you. You can install any number of versions. So once we are developing the project, we will see the compatibility of the project with the different versions also. We'll test it basically. We use mostly for testing with the different versions. But if you are a team, you want to work, try to work on a LTS version with single version. Everyone should work on the same version basically. That's very important, because there will be some compatibility issues if you are working on different versions of the Unity. If you are an individual developer, then you want to test your application on different platforms and different versions of Unity, then this is okay. But if you want to be, if you are working on a team, then always make sure you have the same version, everyone. So anyone facing any challenges other than other than this? So once after installation, you'll see the screen basically like this. If you can see this, that means you're done. The installation is done. I don't have 60. The 64 is like minimum requirement for the installing this software. Okay, no problem. Don't worry about this. It's waiting for 90% because it's taking time to make sure everything is done. Don't worry about that. So let it finish and make it done. Even though it's a long waiting time, also nothing will happen. Just don't worry. Just leave it like that. If any other challenge, please let me know. If you're facing any other challenges. If you want to see, if you really don't know whether you're installed or not, go to your Unity Hub like this, and in the installs, you'll see this folder like this. So should I move forward?
Mine is still in 60%.
Oh, okay.
Noted down.
Sure. I'll wait for some more time. Yeah. Like make sure you have the stable internet connection so that installation shouldn't like stop in between. If there is a like sudden breakage of internet or any this thing, again we need to remove this and we need to install fresh. Still getting installed. Okay. It will take some time because these are like very heavy files. These are in GBs.
So please share your mail ID also so that we can
Yeah, sure.
clarify the.
Sure. Also, this is my email ID. If you have anything, just send me the screenshot also.
Is it possible to share in the WhatsApp group also? The screenshot?
Sorry, I'm not in the WhatsApp group. Someone needs to
Okay.
add me. Yeah.
Oh. They have created a WhatsApp group for this. That's why I asked.
Sorry, I was not there. So I'll ask someone to add me there also. If
Yes,
once
sir.
I add that, I'll add my email.
Your email ID alone you please share, sir, so that we can.
Sure, yeah. But this is my email ID. You can just send me a mail if you have anything.
Have you shared?
Yeah, it's in the chat box. Can you see this here?
No.
Oh, see here. It's ala.anilkumar@gmail.com.
Okay. Yeah. I was in a wrong group.
Okay, yeah. So if it's still installing, let it install. Don't cancel or anything. I'll show only next 2 steps you need to remember. That's it. You don't need to do anything else. So the next step is, so once you are done installation, you'll see the file like this. Whatever the version of the Unity is installed, you'll see a message of Unity logo here and the version which is installed in your laptop or desktop. So if you click the Android build support, you'll see the Android build support also. If you have another web also, you'll see this HTML5 logo. So fine. These are all not requirements, but these are all like optionals. But for Android, you need to have Android because you are going to develop a mobile application for your Android device. So if you don't have this symbol, then you can go here, click on add modules and set this Android build support and done. That's it. It will install. If you already have, you don't need to do this. So once after you're done, click on this projects and click on new project. This means you are creating a new project basically. Click on new project like this. So then you have here different templates basically. These are different templates in the Unity. So when we are in the Unity, I'll explain what this 2D, what this 3D with extras, high definition render pipeline, universal render pipeline, all the stuff. So for the time being, for today, what you need to do is click on this 3D. It will be by default, it will be 3D. So if it's not on 3D, just click on this 3D. Then give a project name. So make sure you have a project name which is meaningful, so that tomorrow when you come, you can identify with your project name. That should be easy. So DP. So here location is up to you, where you want to save these files, basically, where you want to save this project. Once you are done, choose the location, then just click on this create button. Yeah, it will take basically it will take a lot of time also, based on your internet speed or your machine speed. It will take time. Don't worry, it's not stuck. It's not anything like it's not frozen. So it's just taking some time. Yeah. So once you're done with creating a Unity project, it will start opening the Unity like this. For 2020, you have a different symbol here. Don't worry. This is only just a symbol. This image is for 2019. For 2021, you have the slides like this.
Sir, what are the difference between 2019 and 2020 version?
For developing, so earlier what we used to have is this XR platform, and the VR and AR platforms are they are like different. You need to enable yourself. Now what they made everything into one group in the XR platform, basically. So I'll show you the difference also. It's not a big difference in the project, this user interface or the coding wise. It's only the difference in this XR input systems and all. So I'll show you.
So we should go for 2020 version, sir. I think it's a higher version. So,
No. For this project, that's what I'm saying. For this project, it doesn't matter which version at all.
Okay. Yeah.
So it's all same. It's all same. The only difference I'm just saying. Earlier, it was the button was somewhere else. Now they clubbed everything together in one big button. That's only differences. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So Unity,
Okay,
Unity, what they will do is every 2 weeks they'll release a newer version, or like every couple of days also sometimes. Don't worry. Don't update your Unity. Just if it's asked for to update, just keep it. This is one of the important things. Don't update your Unity. Just keep it. Work on the same project you worked. Same version. So sorry. Work on the same version of the Unity you worked on. Okay. I'll tell you how to. I'll tell you how to update your project with the different Unity versions also. Because the way how we open the folder in Unity is different actually. So how it works in the system, I'll tell you also in the coming sessions. I'll tell you how this Unity it works, all the stuff. So once you create your project, this is how you see. Basically, this is the first thing you see, like this, the screen. For everyone, it's same. This is the first screen. So once you are done, click on this file, the first one. Click on this build settings. And see, you have here different options or not. PC, Mac, Linux standalone, Android, Universal Windows Platform, TV OS, PS4, iOS, Xbox One, WebGL. Someone will have a Facebook also, Facebook TV, Android TV, and I forgot some other versions also you have here. But at least you should make sure you have this PC, Mac, Linux standalone, Android, and if you want to have iOS also. So when you click on this Android, so it should show this like this: Android, texture compression, all these things. If you when you click on Android, if you see like something like this, no Android or install Android hub like this, that means you didn't install the Android SDK. That's what it says. So where do we need to install this Android SDKs? Again, you go to your Unity hub like this. Again. Okay, you need to go to your Unity hub, and there again you install this file basically. Or you can do it from here also. Build settings. If you click Android, you'll have this install button here. Click on this install button. It will download. Again, install it. Again, close the Unity and open the Unity. You'll see this file. Sure, I'll send you Kadim Setti. I'll try to share you the link also, how to install. I'll try to share the YouTube link if possible. If you're still facing the problem, then I'll help you out on Wednesday, because I'll be coming back on Wednesday. Sorry, yeah, today's Tuesday. Sorry, on Thursday back. Sorry, I'll be on Thursday back. I'll help you out on that. So hope everyone can see this PC, Mac, Android, universal platform, all the Windows platform, all this stuff. At least you should see this PC, Mac, Android, iOS. So anyone, any challenges so far? Okay, fine. So next one. So next thing, once you are there, after that there is next button. Click on this edit. Click on this preferences. Click on preferences. In the external tools, by default it will be in external tools. So if it's not in the external, so just click on this external tools. The script editor, you should see the Visual Studio 2017 community like this. This is your script editor basically. Okay. So, and if you already installed your Android, this should show like this: JDK installed with Unity recommended. These are all different paths which it should show. So you don't need to do anything, any changes, just checking if it's installed or not. That's the only thing. If it's installed, it's already, these things you need to check. Visual Studio 2017 community, check whether Android, all these 4 checkboxes are on. Most of you might be on 99% because these are heavy files, huge files. This Unity itself, it will take up to 4 GB or 5 GB of your space. Again, Android Studio will take another 850 MB of files. So these are like heavy files. So edit, preferences, external tools, should see Microsoft Visual Studio here. If you didn't find anything, click on here in the drop down, see whether there is here Visual Studio or not. If you have a Visual Studio, just select that. If you didn't have, I'll tell you what to do. Android also same thing. If you didn't have, I'll let you know. So if you are able to see all these things, then you have successfully installed your Unity setup. Sorry, Nirmal, I don't have this recording. Recording is with Mr. Channa Reddy sir. I will ask him to, I'll put him a message also. But I'll also send you the link in the YouTube how to install the Unity also. I'll just do it now itself. That's much better. Okay, find many. The main thing. Yeah. So I'm trying to launch a new project. Error is popping out saying the license is invalid. Okay. So what you need to do is go to your Unity Hub. Just quickly close this window and Unity Hub. So here there's a setting symbol here. This circular one. Click on this. Or you can have, you can go to the next to this. There is your name, your email ID, your account. Here also you have this manage license. Click on this. If you want to, if there is anything, activate new license if you want to activate, or just click on this activate new license and say this is a personal, not a pro or a plus, the first one. And same thing, I don't use this in the company organization, or you can use any of these two options, doesn't matter basically. Then once you have to select the options, just select done. That's it. It will activate the new license. So the link which I shared in the YouTube will help you installing your Unity software. Only main important thing is you need to have this Android installation path and the Microsoft Visual Studio. One for building the application, one for writing the scripts, basically. So if you are still facing any challenges, please let me know. If you want any personal, just work, yeah, fine. So if you're still facing anything and you want to have a personal one-on-one session, then Mr. Ganesh and Mr. Teddy is also on the line. They can help you out also. Just put them directly a message. Sometimes it will take time because because of the system or because of the internet speed, it will take some time. But don't close the installation. Just let it be. Just let it be. Yeah, same steps. Yeah, it will take some time, but let it be. It doesn't affect Okay. But let it install. It will take some time. Let it install. That's it. So do you want to ask any other questions relating to mornings for morning session or in the today's evening session? You can feel free to ask any questions regarding the VR and AR.
Sir,
Yeah.
if we are having this as a subject for the students,
Sorry.
if we are going to handle this as a subject for the students,
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah.
will it be possible for them to learn without all these support of, you said in the morning about the headset and all, no? The headset and all are quite costly, and the government college students may not be able to spend that much amount. So is
Yeah.
it possible for them to learn the atmosphere without investing much?
Yeah, sure. They can see as I said. See, the development process is same for even for high-end HMDs or for the low-end HMDs also. The technology, the coding, every part is same. Only the difference
Okay.
is the application point of view only. It's a small application or it's a big application. Only that's only the problem.
Oh, so without much
So you
investment, they can learn.
much yeah, exactly. So if there is budget concerns, we can go for the cardboard ones. They cost you only at 300 rupees or 250 rupees or something like that.
But I looked into the cardboard, sir. It is costing
Yeah.
less, but it looks like just a box. Is there a
Yeah,
lens
yeah.
or something available?
No. Actually, you mistook. See, even the big HMDs also. What inside? There are two lens basically. Can you see there are two lens inside that? So these are two lens basically what it is for, So basically these are magnifying glass because we keep our phone very close to our eyes, right?
Okay.
We keep the headset very close to our eyes. See, if anything, if we keep close to our eyes, can we see? No, right? It's the same thing. These glasses are for that only. These glasses doesn't have any magic, or these glasses are just to read the content which are very close to our eyes.
Right.
So it's the same thing. So here in the cardboard, your mobile itself acting as a computer. There you have one personal computer dedicated for that graphic card or that application. That's only the difference. The rest everything is same.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. So cardboard is very good especially for students who wants to develop an application and test and work on VR. Cardboard is very good enough.
Right.
Yeah.
On this particular software which we are downloading now, that Unity, this is also student version available and we can use it.
Yeah, the student version also available. Personal version also is free and available.
Okay.
Until unless that you are developing any project which is commercially paid $100,000 more, more than $100,000, then you need to pay them some amount of fee. But in most of the student cases, it should be free.
Right?
Yeah. Need to be done after the project has opened. No settings needs to be done and nothing. Only thing I want to make sure is like whether these things can you see or not. So one is can you see the Microsoft Visual Studio in the edit preferences external tools? Another one is an Android Studio. Only these two. The rest no settings, nothing. No, don't change anything else. See here, edit. Go to preferences. In the external tools, it should show you the Visual Studio 2017 community, and then down it should show the Android Studio installed. That's it. Nothing else other than that.
So please unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Unmute yourself. And
Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Only these things. So these are the platforms which are available in the Unity basically. So can you see this or not? That's the only thing. If it's visible, fine. If it's not, then I'll try to explain what needs to be done. That's it. This is build settings. Next one is preferences. Edit preferences like this. These two. External tools, Visual Studio, Android. Yeah, చెప్పండి. Okay, so do I need, yeah, exactly. You need to add externally. So let me tell you what you need to do. So just a moment, I'll just. Okay, so what you need to do is, if you didn't find the Visual Studio and Android in the external tools, so just close this. Don't add anything from here. Okay, so what you need to do is go to your Unity Hub. Go to your Unity Hub like this. Click on your Unity Hub. Once you click on your Unity Hub, go to installs. Go to installs. Then you can see the version of your Unity here. There, click on these three buttons. Can you see the sandwich buttons here? Sandwich menu, a dotted menu. So click on this and click on this add modules. Click on add modules. Then here, try to select the Android. If it's Visual Studio, Visual Studio. Select this then done, and it will ask for the authentic agreement or all this stuff. Just click yes. That's it. It will install again. Once you install, close the Unity and then open it. You will see that. Even the JDK is also same thing. JDK and Visual Studio, same thing, both. I shared the Unity installation video of the YouTube link also in the same chat. If you have a problem also, please go through. If anyone wants to install on your personal laptops or at your home. Yeah. Yeah, and these are very big files. These are not small files. These are very big files. That's what. Make sure, and again, make sure you have enough space for installation all this. So that's why I always suggest to go for D drive or some external drive, so that your C drive is not filled. No, you don't need to do anything at 99%. Don't, even if you feel like it's stuck, but it's not. Something is happening there. Something is working on. Don't think, even though it takes half an hour also, don't do anything. Just leave it like that. Doesn't matter. Just leave it like that. Even at 99% also, just leave it like that. Don't close it. Don't do anything. That's it. Just leave it like this. It will take care of itself. So you have any other questions regarding installation, or any question you want to ask regarding VR? Oh, okay, yeah. You just need to go and see the Visual Studio is there or not. In the edit preferences, you need to go external, click on external tools. See in the right side, the scripting editor should be, see here, edit, preferences, external tools, external script editor should be Visual Studio 2017 community. This should be there, and then down you see there is an Android or not. That's it. So that's it for today's session for the installation part. If you have any other questions, or if you have any other challenges, please ask me. I'll help you. Okay, so you can't see that Visual Studio, all the stuff. So what you do is, if you could see this unit, this thing, then okay, no problem. So what you need to do is go to your Unity Hub, click on your Unity Hub, like this. Click on install file like this. In the install files, this is your version where you can see, and there are 3 dots here in the box. Click on that. Click on this add modules. Now click on Android build support or Visual Studio, whatever you are missing. Just click on it and done, and agree for the terms and conditions. Yeah, sure. You can just go ahead and send me an email. You can send me an email. That's not a problem. I'll reply you if you have any problem or if you have any doubts. Only showing Explorer and remove from hub. Okay, that means your I think your this Unity has not yet installed all the files. Maybe it's installing in the background. Are you sure it's installed? Is there any blue line which is moving or anything? See, if there is only Explorer and remove from the hub, then it should show like this. See how I got. If I click this, the first one is the add modules like this. The first thing will be add modules. That means maybe something is working. Maybe still it's working for installations, all the files. Or you can share me the screen. I can look it up. No, don't reinstall anything. Don't do anything. It will take some time to complete the process. Even if you are at 99%, if waiting for a long time doesn't matter. Just just wait for some time and let it will do. Don't reinstall or don't remove all the stuff. Yeah, yes, sir.
ఒక సౌండ్ వస్తుంది సార్, అది ఎక్కడి నుంచి అని అర్థం అవట్లేదు.
యాక్చువల్గా మీ మైక్రోఫోన్ అక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుందండి నాకు.
ఈ రీసౌండ్ కాదు సార్, అది పిల్లోడు ఏడుస్తున్నట్టు.
మేబీ అవుట్ సైడ్ ఎవరు జరుగుతున్నారు. Yeah, session is over. Yeah. If you have any doubts or challenges, I'll help you out. Yeah. Installation is done. Installation part is done. Yeah. Surendra garu, maybe I feel అది వెనకాల జరుగుతుంది ప్రాసెస్. నేను ఒక్కసారి I'll get back to you అండి. If it's same thing, it's showing after like maybe check after half an hour అండి. If it's same thing, then I'll try to decode or I'll try to help you out again. Mostly it should be something is working back. And the process నడుస్తుందండి వెనకాల. Can you check it out? Is there any process which is running from the Unity side? Basil, there's nothing like this, like this is the best VR box, or because it depends on your phone. It's not like depends on the cardboard. It's not depend on the cardboard. It depends on your phone actually. If your phone is good, the processing, then the smooth the VR effect will be. Yeah, it doesn't matter if it's a 6.4 inches or 5.4 inches. Doesn't matter. Yeah, because the cardboard have enough space actually. So if you're going for a Samsung, then make sure you need to go for a box which fits that. If you're going for the plastic box, then you make sure your phone fits into that box. You should see the dimensions. Generally, if it's a cardboard, you don't need to worry anything about that. Surendra garu, can you do one thing? Can you restart the Unity once again, and let's see if you're getting that add modules. Can you try this once? Visual character and feel both cardboard and plastic are same or different? No, it's there's nothing in that box. Basically, there are only two lenses actually, two lens and one trigger, we call that. So there's nothing inside, only two. If you want to have some cardboards also have these earphones attached with that. So it's all up to you. See, if you have a like permanent, if you go for the plastic ones, if you have this permanent dimension, only these dimensions fit, then it's a problem basically. If your phone is not fit to that, if your phone fits into that plastic one, then it shouldn't be a problem. You can buy anyone. It's all up to you. The functionality wise, everything is fine. Don't worry about this thing, because we'll be using other SDKs actually. These are only a hardware actually, which supports our to visualize our application. These are the stuff we need to use it. Yeah, if you're going for Gear VR, it only supports the Samsung Gear, Samsung mobiles only. Not even all the Samsung's phones are compatible with that Gear. So check before going for the Samsung Gear VR. Just give a second. Samsung. Yeah.
Are there different versions of Samsung Gear VR also? Only one?
Yeah, exactly. There are different versions of the Samsung Gear VR. It depends on your headsets also. The earlier first version of the Samsung Gear only works for Samsung Note 4. Then next version of Samsung Gear works from Samsung Note 6, I guess. Note 6 or Samsung S6. I don't remember exactly, but S6 or S7 from there, it works. So that's what, before buying, you need to check which phone is a compatibility with that.
How much it costs approximately?
It costs hardly 10,000, max 10,000 to 12, 15,000.
Maybe it's better we purchase a mobile phone along with the Gear VR.
Yeah, that's much better. Yeah, exactly. But the quality, the sound experience and all, it's much better than the cardboard. Obviously, if you're putting 10,000, then it should be workable. Yeah. See, if you look at this here, can you see this? The compatibility is, see, if you have a two types here, the USB Type C and micro USB. Note 9, S9, S9 Plus, Note 8, S8. See, these are all the, only these phones are compatible with this.
Right.
And make sure you have the star. Galaxy Note 9 is compatible with Gear VR. Model number only for this model number. Again, yeah.
I think approximately the mobile phone costs more than 25,000.
Exactly, exactly. It's only the mobile phone which is costlier, because this is just an empty, plastic box. There's nothing inside actually. Yeah, it has one sensor saying that once you remove your cardboard from your face, then it will go into the off mode. That's only the difference. Yeah.
No, I think participants can know more about this Google Cardboard in tomorrow's afternoon session. Maybe actually you can make your own Google Cardboard also.
Yeah, it's available actually. It's available in online also. How to make yourself. So you need to have, basically this is much easier. If you want to buy it, it costs only 200 or 250 something or 300 max. Generally, it's 250 to 300 something. It should be.
In Amazon, I think it is from 700 to 1,000 rupees. 900.
Really? Oh, that expensive? Because I did buy so many cardboards. Doesn't cost me that much. Let me just Google and I'll just give you. So just say VR cardboard.
Some toggle button.
Yeah, there is a button. So for all cardboards, you have this button. Most of the cardboards are, yeah. Now I just found out. Yeah, just a moment. Shopping. See here, this is only 142 rupees. This should have a button also. Just check me. Yeah, this is good. And if you see here, see there is a small button here in iris. Iris. Can you see here?
What is the purpose of that?
No, because suppose you want to interact with UI, so this is where you interact actually.
Okay.
And there are two ways of interaction buttons basically. One is gaze and another one is a clickable button. So this is a clickable button basically.
Okay, is it something like a touchpad?
Yeah, exactly. So what happens is, like inside, I don't have right now with me, but inside, if you see in the cardboard, what happens is all the cardboards are same, but I didn't have this button. I'll try to find an image. Cardboard button. Press images. So what happens is there is a small pointer kind of a stuff which go, whenever you press this button, it will go and touch the phone display basically. That's how the action will happen. I'll try to. Yeah, can you see this image? Is it clear enough? Yeah, I'll just make it bigger. So if you see this place, can you see this? So this is the whenever you press that button, this is the one which go and touch the screen.
Okay, that means for making it touch sensitive, because you cannot touch the phone.
Yeah, obviously you can't go and touch the screen, right? Because you're putting it before your head. So that's why they gave this button basically. This is we call it an interactive button basically. If you have this button, this is much easier to play games or to select something instead of gaze. Gaze is like you see, you wait for some time, that action will happen. So once we are into the application development stage, then you know the benefit of this button basically. See this? Yeah, this is good. This is cost you around 600 rupees. Actually, it costs around 300 or 400 should be. I don't know why they increased the price.
No, in Amazon it is still more actually.
Oh, really? Oh, okay.
Flipkart usually cost will be less.
It should be actually less. The plastic boxes are like cheaper than the cardboard ones.
So price is going up to 5,000.
Yeah. There are some. They're trying to do something. Not for us. As waste. You don't. This box basically. It has designed so that you can have nostalgic experience.
So this IRSO is suitable for all the mobiles. Like, can we use it?
Exactly. Iris is good. Iris is very
Redmi?
good. Yeah, all the mobiles. It doesn't matter which mobile at all. Actually.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Maybe this VR box is only meant for stereoscopic views. There is no interaction. Only you can see. Other than that, you can't have a button. So if you have a button or something, if you want to play some games, or if you want to move, or if you want to teleport, or some actions, if you want to do with user interface, then you need to have a button. Or else only you need to work on the gaze ones. So Iris is much better. Iris is much better instead of this VR box. Cardboard. I want the top of one. Yeah, this is good, and even this have a button. This is good actually. 149. VR cardboard fully assembled up to 6-inch cardboard. Yeah, this is also good. Yeah. Yeah, see this. There is a button here. This is the button actually. The small place. This is good. Yeah. 149 plus 70 delivery. Yeah. 250 max. Yeah. So any more doubts or any more thing you want to ask me?
Participants are requested to raise any doubts if you have. Otherwise, we'll wind up the session. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Fine.
Sir, during the installation,
Yeah.
there is one option like a micro game. So we should select any micro game, or we should go.
No, you can go with MT3D, because micro game is they want to show you a demo game. They give all the files of relating the demo game. So we don't need that basically. So if you select that demo game, then it will take so much time again to install all those files. So it's easy to go for empty file, empty. So we are not using any of those demo scenes or demo assets. So we don't need that at all actually.
Yeah.
So if you are installing also, it's not a problem at all. Nothing like that. Only the space is concerned. Yeah.
Anybody else? Shall we wind up the session? With the permission of all participants and resource person, I'd like to wind up the session. Tomorrow, day 2 is started. Day 2 session will be started at 10 a.m. Already links been shared. The participants are requested to join the sessions by 10 a.m. tomorrow. Thank you, Nidal. Thanks for your patience listening. Anil sir, shall we wind up?
Yeah, sure. Please, if you have any doubt or any message or anything, just send me an email. That should be fine enough.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks a lot.